Manipur joins the nation in celebrating Vijay Divas. Chief Minister N. Biren expresses disappointment at Manipur University's failure to include itself in India's 100 best university. Students of DM College of Arts, Commerce and NAFIS members continue protest of implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act in Northeast states. Fuel scarcity likely to shut down passenger vehicle services in Manipur. All Manipur Bus Owner Union appeals to relevant authorities to supply adequate fuel. Chief Electoral Officer P.K. Singh releases integrated draft photo electoral rolls of the 60 state assembly constituencies. Final electoral roll will be released on February 7, 2020. And Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren inaugurates 3-day 16th Orange Festival 2019 in Tamenglong District Headquarter Public Ground. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Prime Time English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories. Manipur joined the nation in celebrating Vijay Divas today to commemorate India's victory over Pakistan in 1971 war. The state-level function was held at the banquet hall of the Manipur Rifles. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren urged everyone to take responsibility to protect the nation. Taking part in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar said that the Indo-Pakistan War of 1971 cannot be erased from the history of military. He expressed pride that over 1 lakh soldiers of Pakistan surrendered to India in the war. Ministers, MLAs and top civil and police officials took part in the event.
Bharat ki apunba saktam ngakpa haibasi Bharatwasi khudingmak ekhoi amata ngairwi thoni aduna ekhoi punna amata oina lingzen manana irrespective of caste, religions, magi belongingness se ekhoi amata oibi wakhalon da lerakanda Bharat kan khalai bani makhatana Bharat kan khat kaduri so ekhoi amata oiraga kan khat kaduri bani haiwa
Lisingama Samapan Hundramatwi gi Indo-Pakistan dana se military history da khwaidagi singthana ba yaba amani sahi adugi December 3 da Pakistani India gi airfield Tramatwi da landaraki adu Bharat ki lanmi singna suknatangi numit 3 dinigi manungda masing yamlaba Pakistan lanmi singbu maithiba piba ngamki malemda Bharat lanmi gi sakti utpa ngamki lanpham adu da Bharat lamina thona phanam hanbalaitana mayok yakhiba adu makna mai paki amsung December 3 tukta Bangladesh pusuning tambaleba amo oiki.
Speaking at the Vijay Divas event, Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren expressed disappointment at the failure of Manipur University to include itself in India's 100 best universities. He stressed on the need for the state government to look after Manipur University despite being a central university and also to provide cordial academic atmosphere in the state. Biren called upon all the relevant departments to work proactively for enhancing human resources of the state to bring progress. Biren urged students not to unnecessarily participate in protests under political influence. He also urged officials concerned of every department to carry out their works efficiently to bring solutions to every issues and peace in the state.
Manipur University si India ki ranking da sama phagi manung da yaudre arang discussion da tabada sama ga nifu yankai chani atha yaukraba ganam tawre aduri university si ekhoi hope ni ekhoi ki future ni state sigi university am khak leiba si ekhoi na masi si central university gong khat han bi oina laura laga central university gong khat la ka da ngasi leiriba sigi position se masi am ikai ni kai wei akhoi central university ne na line lo akhoi na akhoi di ma se akhoi concern nate hairagum se bakoi kari gi 100 phaugi manung yankhai phaugi manung da Manipur University san mangam dri no se masi dai da khoi tak nam sange totally academic atmosphere ma university da create tong bang thak tok se.
Students of DM College of Commerce carried out a protest demonstration at the college gate today against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) in Northeast states. taking part in the protest. One student strongly condemned CAA and declared full support to all movements against the contentious act. Students of DM College of Arts today carried out a protest rally against implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in the Northeast states. Protesters took out the rally from DM College of Arts towards Biathong, but massive forces of the Manipur police drive them back to the college. Student protesters chanted various slogans like BJP government down down, long live Northeast and Manipur, etc. Speaking to the media, General Secretary of DM College of Arts, M. Matang Maring, stated that CAA is being protested not only in the Northeast states but even at other parts of the country. He urged the police not to interfere in their protests. M. Matang Maring appealed to the BJP-led NDA government to act as per the interests of the public. He declared that students of DM College of Arts will extend full support to all the movement against the act.
Intergovernment Sathariba policy Hana Miamna Kep Haina Kinaramba Adugumlava Bill Ama CAA Hairaga Kangaraba Adugumba Ek C DM College of Arts Student Union Amadi DM University Sida Tamiba PG student Singa Kucham Naraga Adugumba Ek C strongly opposed to we seeing Assam Amadi Tripurada police ki Kahen Batong Amadi brutal act Kayasi Kudatale Piu Makoigi indigenous Oiba Adugumba identity culture kan Navagi Damakta Honazariba Kudingmakta Kahen Batong Taubiba Kudingmak Lepiu Manipur ILP Haraga Pangibasi Besier Su Ngasimak Tapi Bangamdri Sing Asimak Nordiski Kulao in a Lauriba Nordista Lariba Mipum Kudingmakna Masamasagi identity Amadi Masamasagi Oiba cultural Naksha Navagi Damakta Iho Horiba Kudingmaksi Nasi intergovernment Tabiraga CAC withdraw Tobiu.
Police has arrested 6 members of the Northeast Forum of International Solidarity, NEFIS, who tried to storm the Chief Minister's bungalow, demanding to arrest them against implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. Police arrested 6 members, including 3 women, this evening. Agitators carried out the protest demonstration with their mouths covered with red ribbons and their hands on the air. Police team led by Additional SP Law and Order of Imphal West, AG Sharma, and Assistant SP Operations, Amarjit Lamabam, intercepted the agitators towards Nitya Pachuteg for interrogation. The protesters said that they had come to surrender themselves to stay in jail if the government is not going to pay heed to their demand. Later, a police team led by Additional SP Women Against Crime Investigating Officer Ngasepam Ratna came and picked up the women protesters. All Manipur Bus Owner Union has urged the government and the relevant departments to provide adequate fuel supply for normal operation of passenger vehicle services. Speaking to media today, co-convener of the union, B. Dhanabir, said that a passenger bus requires a minimum 60 to 70 liters of fuel in a day. He expressed apprehension that Manipur is facing fuel crisis right on the onset of Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protests in the Northeast states. He said drivers and owners of passenger services, including school bus services, are facing major inconveniences owing to the situation. Dhanabir appreciated the concerned minister for declaring to provide fuel for 1,000 rupees to all passenger bus services of the state, but he stated that it will not be enough for normal operation. He urged the CAF and PD department to look into their plights at the earliest.
Thau lupa lising amagi piraga passenger service tau haire lupa lising amagi thau si liter trang khakthani hauji liter trang waji hapaga kamaina khoi passenger bus service tau duino haibdi uji Christmas mayagi yengdara uji ukhulda Senapati da Chandel da Chapikarong da Chosampur da chaliba mayamche nomagi bus up down gi pibi dragadi asigum laba passenger service tau bus singse masa matona lepagi phiba mama lai bus owner union na government da appeal tawiri basi athuba matamda aikhoi tabi ho kaima tabi deba taragadi TDC na Manipur ga dung malai apex body ki table amada puthoga makha da ba kari khongjang changjang ga da ge haibado yam thuna lepani
The FCI have launched indefinite hunger strike against their exploitation and demanding the authorities concerned to re-recruit the laborers who were terminated by Mathai Enterprises at the earliest. Agitating laborers with locked chains around their necks carried out a protest demonstration at the flyover bridge in the heart of Imphal city today. Manipur police personnel rushed to the spot and took the protesters to city police station. Speaking to the media as they were being arrested, one protesting laborer condemned the proprietor of Mathai Enterprises, Prem Chand, for terminating and hiring new laborers at whims. He expressed a disappointment that the state government failed to take necessary actions despite their repeated pleas. He urged the authorities concerned to ease the plights facing the daily wage earners and to suspend Mathai Enterprises at the earliest.
एनआर मथाई बैन तौबियो अखोई थबक पिबियो साई लेबर अखोई तांथोक पिबगी अखोई हंगर स्ट्राइक तौदोइन तरा हेल अखोई सिदिबोक तरा हेल दौने मोय नो तौदिबो मरम जिबो अखोई थबक थदर पिबगी अखोई योली पुनजैसिना अखोई ngak तमेट सब मानजरे न अखोई ngak थोई पुलस कंग सिजरगे न थबक पिदिबो अखोई साई लेबर न कांगुनेबा कंट्रेक्टर अनोबो सिनबजिना अहुमबक थबक सुरमगा तांगबरी दगी चंगबा यारोय न अखोई तांथोक पिरे थबक अमु फंगद्रे अदुगी
Chief Electoral Officer P.K. Singh released integrated draft photo electoral rolls of the 60 State Assembly constituencies at the conference hall of Chief Electoral Office, Lumphel today. As per the draft electoral roll, there are altogether 18,81,961 voters, including 72 transgenders in the state. Speaking to media, CEO P.K. Singh said that 19,39,244 voters were verified during the electoral verification program EVP held from September 1st till November 30th this year. Out of these, 18,86,200 voters were requested for EVP process. He said 67,844 voters were removed owing to death, change of location, etc. during the EVP. P.K. Singh said that 10,562 eligible voters were left out in the EVP enrollment. He said electoral photo ID cards will be distributed to those left out electors on National Voters' Day on January 25, 2020. He said that special summary revision of the draft electoral rolls to address grievances will be carried out from today till January 15th next year. P.K. Singh said that corrections can be made in the electoral roll through booth-level officers, BLOs, electoral registration officers, or at the CEO website www.nvsp.in. The CEO disclosed that a final electoral roll will be released on February 7, 2020. He also mentioned that a multimedia awareness campaign, I Am Ready, will kick off today with the participation of various youth icons to enroll eligible voters of 18 years and above. CEO P.K. Singh appreciated district election officers, electoral registration officers, BLOs, common service centers and volunteers who contributed in the successful release of the integrated draft photo electoral roll.
This EVP program was carried out at the instance of the Election Commission because countrywide they felt that revision process we don't pay very close attention to correcting small errors. So there may be some error in some relation type, then people get married, their names change, their address changes. Those things don't get reflected properly in the roll. And many a time people face inconvenience because of that. So the commission said that before going over the normal process of summary revision, we should have a prolonged campaign in mission mode, where the entire country, the voters will be asked to self-verify their electoral details, which is exactly what has been done. Countrywide, the figures are almost 99% plus, people who have actually verified the details, and many cases have been corrected. Today, the electoral rolls are very accurate, very genuine. So now as we enter the special summary revision phase, we'll try and make it even more better.
Yelho Mi Thaupai has urged Chief Minister Nongthombam Birren to enlist Sanamahi religion in the minority religion list of the country and to provide a religion code by 2021 census. Speaking to media at Yelho Mi Thaupai office at Deolaland today, Thaupai advisor Mutu Churamani said that They have already submitted written requests for the same to the governor and to the chief minister of the state. He recalled that the State Assembly passed resolution number 86 seeking to include Sanamahi religion in the minority religion list in 2003. Muttum Juramani expressed hope that Chief Minister N. Biren, who was then a member of the House Committee, will surely fulfill their demand by 2021 census operation. On the other hand, he expressed worry that if the religion is not enlisted by 2021 census, its inclusion will be further delayed for another 10 years.
India के अतै religion ने हाइदना minority religion ने अदुगा religion code ता हापी बसे सुमाइना अखोई के सनामही लाइनिंग सिचु एंतोकना हापा यारबा लाइनिंग ने 2003 दा House Committee की member ओइबिखिबा हजे हजिकना honorable CM ओइबिरिबा मा मसामकसे मसी House Committee की member ओइबिखि अदुना पतम दु दमाना मसा यावना recommend तौबिरमबा House Committee ने pass तौबिखिबसे 2021 की census की record सि लाक्त्रिङैदा अथुबा मतमदा सनामही लाइनिंग से India की minority religion ni haina lauthokpiba aduga census ki report ta minority ki aduga religion code ama oina chanbina na ba soidana thau paikhat pirakani haibase miyam gi interest miyam gi wakhalon je khangbiraga honorable CM na sungsoi soidana thabak oina onthok pirakani haibadu media ki khong thamjari.
A combined team of District Police, Senapati, Narcotics and Affairs of Border, Narcotics Control Bureau, Forest Department and District Administration Senapati destroyed mass illegal poppy plantations at Ngatan and Angkailongdi in Senapati district today. The team destroyed the poppy plants cultivated over a stretch of 45 acres of land. Senapati Police Station has registered a case against the same and investigations are underway. Waiting list candidates of Manipur Police Constable Male 2013 batch in a press release have warned of taking up various forms of legal protests if the authorities concerned fail to approve them latest by December 25th. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you a special report on the 16th Orange Festival 2019, which begin today at Tamenglong District Headquarters. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthambam Biren inaugurated 3-day 16th Orange Festival 2019 at public grounds of Tamenglong District Headquarters today. Various kinds of oranges produced from the district are being showcased at altogether 328 stalls opened in the festival. Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and camera person Kabi bring you an exclusive report.
Ani dong Sakhong Sumai Riulau Misuna Migo in the Tang Dulang Bombay of the Manglong District Administration.
Overweight or
Manipur legang na chinna sahi ko dingi pangkhok ko hatak sahi ki su Orange Festival Tamenglong District Headquarters di public ground na si Chief Minister Nongthambam Biren na si best ordino hondokre haidiba asugum laba Orange Festival asda 1-to-1 ba district asigi mafam kaya dagi lakpa komla thaba longmi singna saruk yari loina komla haidiba festival asida longmi atum laba longmi singna putoba komla chohunga kumgani pala saruk yari loina haidiba festival asida saruk yari ba komla putobli ba longmi singna Manipur lenga na Canada, I would Pomla Hena Putupa, Howley, Putupa, Pomla Putupa, Lomida, Matamsina, Hamada, Lak, and Adua. And each Wadana, Lupa, Ama, Adu, Ahum Chupataba, Pomla Putupa, Lomida, 75,000.
Actually, the cold storage has already constructed in the Toksham area, and one more is planning to have here in the headquarters. And for the marketing, the horticulture department, state department will take all the charges. Means after consumption, locally consumption, those remain will be processed all by the state government, And after value added, we will export it to the outside.
Orange Festival asna saru yakiba tamai SG MLA awamu numai na pongo kibra hariba Tamilung district la leriba komla thariba lambi singa masagi oiba senthok lambi puthuk nam senthok lambi hena puthuk ngam jen bi nam komla pambi ke ya tharbusu matam bi oba laina ke ya lakana lambi singa senthok hena puthuk ngam da awaba mai nari loina asiguma awaba singa sikko na ba Manipur lenga amasu mari leina ba department athu ba tam bi chamra exporting thari asuna hariba labusinga thangaliba awabachingasi ohaduna state economy hena phaganaba komla hena puthonaba thabak pahetlu haina chief minister gi pungin
concerned department nasu honorable CM nasu amuka hanna miyeng changbiyare haraga orange gi pambi si hector si kiba kariguma disease na ek taw sida sufficiently treat tawba ngasi foba ngamdudana lebasi treat tawba ngamna naba experts in miyam su thazin bire haraga Tamenglong si mafam kuding da orange si thokpa khagna toba mahau su yam tongan ba yam hauba tu gumba ase state asigi achoba economy so oigdoba sina orange growers singbo encourage to biduna yeng liba mo thakta amukasu yeng handingi habise orange growers singi mahut to oina su panjaning bani
wasi haudu kiba orange festival ki thorumda saru yakiba chief minister ng thobam birena pongi kiba maru oiba wafam sigi manungda matam piadi mabang dagi Tamilung district headquarter da laiba masung masigi akoi da laiba biyam na sakop session da party maru ina bodon chadri ba sikko bagi da Kumsang dagi na haiba district headquarter si yo pamo yawriba lambi asi center ni sethang makada sebam thage dina lakadu ne reni season phawu bhani da chenga ni hadu wapam pongoki wadu ki mathakka Tamilung da laiba biyam ki damakta maru ina haira thariba mamu si da yamna nuwa du pawa ma oina haiba district asi da horticulture ki pothok sin hena pothok nei pothok ne pa pa lamda thabo no bagi damakta chief minister na haiba mafam asi da horticulture pothok ki damakta 2.77 hectare ni lamda haira thabagi thabo si paithalagani habagi thajabasu lamusinda hongdoki maduga loinana BJP ki lenga achirasu Tamilong district headquarter da leiba ima kache si hena hagadaba pibamda 5.7 crore changna nangna chegwatuna miyagi damta maruina kachen phami ma chingida makta hena chegwa chagani habagi wafam hongdoki chimisana thamkiba wafam singasi karam baba tamda miyamda haiba thajabachi angan magang badage habidudi miyam ngai chibatari Camera person kabi galona na pagdom jariba arsimangansa impact news Tamilong headquarter.
A 3-day training program on doctors on geriatric medicine began at the Hall of State Family Welfare Training Center in Lumphil Park today. State Health Society and Medical Directorate along with RIMS with support from Department of Medicine and Orthopedic Genims organized the program under National Program of Healthcare of Elderly People, National Health Mission Manipur. Additional Director, Public Health of the Medical Directorate, Dr. L.R.K. stressed on the need to care for elderly persons.
You people have to treat, have to guide, have to do something for the elderly because the population of the elderly is increasing. Main problem with the elderly is, as you know, changes of the physiology as well as mental problem. So we have to consider all the aspects as well. And with this, you youngsters, because you are the young ones, and one day you will become old, and at that time you will realize that, oh, these things should have been done. But now it is a time that you should do these things.
Forest Department today carried out verification process at Langal Reserved Forest Area under Scheduled Tribes and other traditional forest dwellers, recognition of Forest Rights Act 2006 and Rules 2008. Speaking on the sidelines, DFO Central R.K. Amarjit said that a survey was carried out under the Act which says that only the scheduled tribe community and forest dwellers residing in the village before December 13, 2005 are legitimate residents of the area. He said that a survey has been going on at villages of Langal Reserved Forest areas under Sadar West since September 8, 2009. He mentioned that today's survey at Lantungjing is the third and the last survey after completion of similar survey at Goigailong and Ramgailong villages. R.K. Amarjit said verification process will be carried out at Lambansok Pantinlong, Maching, and non villages of Southern East in the near future. He also said that if after completion of the village level survey under the verification process, district level survey will be carried out, followed by necessary eviction drive under the Indian Forest Act 1927 and Manipur Forest Rules 1971. Meanwhile, Chief of Lantunching village, Alen Tangkul, said that the village was established in 1969 and residents of the village have been paying hill house tax after the village was recognized by Senapati DC in 1988.
Akoigi Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Rights Act 2006 ki magi rules 2008 to adui makhada akoigi verification process ni forest department ki team ani tawrakanda sidaisda chathajarakpani akoina pamjaba je tungda sigi verification si loiraba matungda sub divisional level na muk recommend tawraga district level da DC ga DFO ga akoigi tribal welfare department ki officer amagana koi final approval si pibiraba matungda eligible haidi leiba yare haiba group ama leiba yadre haiba group ama leiba yare haiba group sina lehorakanda leiba yadre haiba se akoina due process of law Indian Forest Act 1927 Manipur Forest Rules 1971 gi makhada eviction taujage haibagi pandam da changchan jarakpani.
Officials of all Manipur Body Builders Association AMBA, including its president, were felicitated upon the successful conduction of 58 Mr. Manipur 2019 today. Eminent donors of AMBA, Jayananda Laitonjam, who is a distributor of Sham Steel and Dalmia Cement, Comet School, MD Irom Umakanta, and Pranab Automobile, MD U. Ramesh jointly organized a felicitation program at Jayananda Laitonjam's residence in Kurai Konsam Lekai. 8 times Mr. World title holder bodybuilder Rambam Bobby, Mr. Asia title holder Kishan, additional director of Manipur Police Training Center Angam Kamai, Romanus, and many people attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Jayananda Laitonjam said that Mr. Manipur 2019 competition was held in a grand manner under the banner of AMBA. He urged people to acknowledge the roles of AMBA bodybuilders and their coaches in bringing laurels for the state. AMBA President and Ratan General Secretary Y. Sumanta and executive members of AMBA attended the event.
Ayuktagi saksade ambagi official mamna masaida honoriba tawriba mamje uru matamda sometimes two buk junge tamkan hone masigi honabasida niko ngasi chai guding gi pakthokpa national gi natraga international level gi pangthokpa body building gi competition jingsida pikraba india gi population jingji manungda bihar gi UP gi district macha amagi population ga chamanamgani manipur gi adubu ngasi akoi manipur gi lemai jegi tholok phida amadi dum kanba ngambase sigumba leiba ojagaru amusung association na kanna hone bibadagine haidan ai thamjage.
43 Assam Rifles conducted a painting competition on Swachh Bharat mission at St. George School, Moreh today. Additional SP K.H. Robinson, Major of 43rd Assam Rifles, Ankit Sharma, and Principal of St. George School, Moreh, Ludra Shami, graced the event. Winners were also felicitated on the occasion. Chief Patron of Rashtriya Sarvapari Sangathan, KSH Bhakta Kumar from Kurai Konsam Leka, has been awarded the prestigious Pride of Nation Award. General G.D. Bakshi conferred upon the award to Bhakta Kumar during the Vijay Diwas celebration held at NCC ground in Delhi today in an acknowledgement for his contributions in motivating youths of the state to stay fit and healthy. Bhakta Kumar is the first from the Northeast states to back the award. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs G. Kishan Reddy graced the event. And in sports news, JSYC Kangpokpi defeated Manipur Police Sports Club by 3-2 in the 12th match of the ongoing 62nd Sir Churchan Singh KCSI CB Memorial Invitation Football Tournament played this afternoon at Imphal Polo Ground. For the winning team, Kai Kokam scored 2 goals at the 24th and 41st minute, and Pau Gotang scored a 3rd goal at the 68th minute, while for the losing team, Ngam Kolin and Wishibao scored 1 goal each at the 8th and 67th minute of the match. 32 football teams, including 2 teams from outside the state and 30 from various parts of Manipur, are participating in the knockout basis invitation football tournament held under All Manipur Football Association. Class Akaina will lock horns with Amofa Moirang tomorrow in a 13-match And YPHU Lalambong will play against Nako Nambol Mapal in the 14th match of the tournament being held since 1950. Sainik School in Fal concluded its 45th Annual Athletic Meet 2019 today. Taking part in the valedictory event, Colonel Nilesh Anand Pagulwar distributed a cash award of 10,000 rupees to the house champion of the athletic meet, 5,000 rupees to the combat display team, and 2,500 rupees each to the successful cadets of NDA or NA written examination conducted by the UPSC. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins the nation in celebrating Vijay Divas. Chief Minister N. Biren expresses disappointment at Manipur University's failure to include itself in India's 100 best universities. Students of DM College of Arts, Commerce and NEPIS members continue protests on implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act in Northeast states. Fuel scarcity likely to shut down passenger vehicle services in Manipur. All Manipur Bus Owner Union appeals to relevant authorities to supply adequate fuel. Chief Electoral Officer P.K. Singh releases integrated draft photo electoral rolls of the 60 State Assembly constituencies. Final electoral roll will be released on February 7, 2020. And Chief Minister Nongthomban Biren inaugurates 3-day 16th Orange Festival 2019 at Tamenglong District Headquarter Public Ground.